Let me have a book review. This book is a GK book. One of the best-selling publisher Arihant has made a publishing again of GK book, which is known as General Knowledge 2030. It has divided its contents into almost 6 parts. Number 1 is history, where you can find the Stone Age, the Medieval Age, and the Modern Age. It focuses upon Indian history. The world history is written in a very short manner. Only 2-3 chapters are focused upon world history. Rest of all is entirely Indian. Then geography. It is again divided into 2 parts, world geography and Indian geography. It contains everything which you have read, which you might read in your 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 4 years, where you have read all these geographical terms and which are important in competitive exams. Then we have Indian polity with ourselves, which contains features like, let me show you, that is 139. In Indian polity, you have just everything what you want and what competitive examiners want from you. Yes, a thorough study of constitution is always good, but if you want a short preparation for any such exam, you can go for it. This is followed by Indian economy, where you are told with some basics and detailed things of Indian economy. They have nothing about world economy except for the International Economic Organization. This is followed by general science, where you have entire syllabus of 9th and 10th, which is further divided into physics, chemistry and bio, and one more is there's a computer. In computer you have a very little list of facts according to computer studies when you go for it. Then 1 to 28 there are current affairs, which are most exciting and most fascinating feature of the book. You can get just everything what's happening in around you. Before it, GK is there, which has miscellaneous topics which are all important. For example, Indian defense, books and writers, and United Nations, countries and capitals and currencies, parliaments of world, nicknames of important persons, Indian atomic research, and so on. So overall, I will give this book 4 stars, not 5 stars, but it is really a good book if you want for a short preparation. If you want longer preparation, you can use further books of which are specialized, and you can have visit into various websites where you are told detailed books of each kind of subjects. For example, if you want a thorough study of constitution, then never put a constitution to your home. Rather, have a book of it. In this way, I will give you suggestion that you may buy this book. This costs ₹90, which is quite economical, and that's from Arihant. So this is a good book.